depreciation, asset used for less than 180 days. Now, if you remember, under the Companies Act, basically, you are allowed depreciation on a day-to-day basis, right? Unlike that, under the Income Tax Act, the criteria is whether or not, you can just find out that, let's say, for example, we have this gentleman who bought two assets, one on, let's say, 1/6/2011, and the other one on 1/10, or let's say 21/10/2012. Both of them are plant and machinery, and both of them are entitled to depreciation at the rate of 10%. Let's say the value of this asset is 2 lakh, and the value of this asset is 1,50,000. Now the question which comes up is, how much depreciation should be allowed for income tax purposes on both these plant and machinery? Is it going to be flat 10%? Okay. Or is it going to be less? What the income tax law provides is that, whenever you acquire any asset during the year, okay, newly acquired asset, and put to use for less than 180 days. So the first thing you need to find out in respect of these two is, how many days have they been used? Okay, so let's say, for example, if you compute, this is basically 365 minus April and May. So this is 304 days, right? So what I did was I just took 365 days because it was acquired on 1/6, and I'm assuming that the day when this was acquired, this was, okay, let's write it like this: date of acquisition and put to use. Right? Now this one is 10 days in October. Okay. So the number of days is here is 10 November, December, January, February, March. This is a leap year, so it might just have 29 here. Okay. So 60, 152, 162 days. Now under the Income Tax Act, if a newly acquired asset is put to use for less than 180 days, okay, if you notice in this case, it's more than 180 days, so there is no issue at all, okay. But if the asset is acquired and put to use for less than 180 days, asset acquired by the assessee during the previous year and put to use for a business for a period of less than 180 days shall be entitled to claim depreciation at 50% of the normal depreciation. So because this is acquired for more than 180 days, so the rate is 10%. So you'll apply 10% to 2 lakh and the depreciation will be 20,000, right? But in respect of this asset, what has happened is that the date of acquisition is such that the asset has been put to use for less than 180 days. Therefore, the rate of depreciation will be 50% of the normal depreciation. So if the normal depreciation is 10%, here you will get 5% of 1,50,000. Or 7,500. This 7,500, 10 came in just erroneously, right? So what happens is that in respect of newly acquired asset, you need to see how many days have they been put to use. This is important. So if you are given date of acquisition and date when put to use, if these two are different, then we go with this date to see how many dates or how many days the asset has been in use. If that is more than 180 days, okay, or for that matter even 180 days, then 100% depreciation is allowed. Or if it is less than 180 days, then 50% of normal depreciation is allowed. right? Okay, so let's move on to the next slide then.